Pod koro oywe matin siasa ni koro riwruok mar lakteche to kod mago mag weche mag yedhe dwaro mondo piny owacho mag Kauntis ondikie tich nurses moromo moloyo to mago ma bende koro osetieko tiegruok margi. Kane giloso e kinde chiwo thieth manono ne oganda mawuok e Shinyalu Kaunti ma Kakamega kotude kod migawo mar thieth to kod od thieth mar Lions, jotelo go mag migepego owacho ni tend Kauntis koro nego ket nyime weche mago mag thieth kendo mar neno ni koro yedhe uchiw e yo makare.
Sisi tunahakikisha ya kwamba tutaendelea kupanga na watu kama George, camp kama hizi tunawaletea madaktari wanawatibu, na nyinyi kazi yenu ni kuhakikisha kuwa serikali inawaandika hao madaktari na wahudumu wa afya, kuwalipa vyema na pia kuwaongeza katika waendelee katika training hapa.
As PSK, all we call for is proper policy placement and ensuring that the local manufacturers are able to produce the right amount of drugs with the right costs and with the right amounts. And people of Shinyalu, what we ask as PSK is for you to not only sit at home. Wacheni kukaa nyumbani ukingoja daktari, ukingoja mwili isikie vibaya. Mwili yako ni mashini ya Mungu. Enda anza kupimwa mapema.
We want every Kenyan to be able to access quality healthcare services without suffering catastrophic financial expenditure, and this can be done when we concentrate or when we focus on preventive medicine, and when we focus on preventing diseases from or preventing our people from getting severe diseases.
Came up with this idea to help organize a camp so that we could help people who are unable to afford services. And at Lions, we are predominantly an eyesight hospital, but what we now do is we now deal with diabetes in its entirety. And as we know, diabetes has a major issue and a major impact in Kenya, and we know that diabetes is becoming an epidemic.
The residents are inaccessible to medication, advanced medication, so to speak, and the incidence of illness, broadly defined or explained, are very rampant. So that's why we thought we should have this camp today and tomorrow, so that we can reach out to as many patients as possible, those who are unable to access this kind of facilities.